Next is efficiency. What is meant by efficiency and which formula is used to calculate the efficiency of any system? So first of all, we have to define the efficiency here. Efficiency of any system basically tell us that how much the input energy is converted into the useful output energy. If I consider here that there is an object and I apply total 100 joule of energy, which is input energy, then how much of this 100 joule is converted into the useful output energy? This is basically determined by the efficiency. I suppose that here 80 joule is converted into the useful energy and 20 joule is wasted into the environment as a thermal energy. So in this case, I can simply say that I consider 100 joule as the input energy. It is converted into 80 joule, which is the useful output energy, and the remaining amount is wasted energy into the environment, which is just like the thermal energy. So the efficiency of the system tells us that how much input energy is converted into the useful output energy. I can also talk the efficiency in terms of power instead of the energy. Again, I consider here object and I suppose that the input power is 100 watt. Then small amount of this input power is converted into output power and some is wasted. So I suppose that again 70 watt is the useful power and remaining is the wasted here. So I can simply say that how much useful output power is obtained from the total input power. It is basically the efficiency, or how much total input power is converted into the useful output power is basically called the efficiency. You can also see from here, efficiency of a system is the measure of how much input energy can be transferred into the useful output energy, or how much useful output power can be obtained from the input power of for a system. So I can simply say that the efficiency basically tells us that how much input energy can be converted into the useful output energy, or how much useful output power can be obtained from the input power. Here is an example. For example, overall efficiency of the thermal power plant is approximately 30%. If I suppose that the efficiency is 30%. What does this mean? It means that 30% of the input energy is converted into the useful output energy and the remaining is the wasted energy. So I can simply say here 30 joule is useful energy and remaining, which is almost 70 joule, this would be wasted energy. So in this way, because any device is 100%, like the efficiency can be 100% or 0. But here I consider that the efficiency is 30%. It means that 30 joule of the energy is converted into useful energy and the remaining is wasted into the environment as a thermal energy. So you can define here as efficiency can be defined as the ratio of the useful output power from a system to its total input power. Or the efficiency is the ratio of the useful output energy from a system to its total input energy. I can simply say here, when you have to write the formula for efficiency, it is basically the ratio of useful output power. So I write here useful output power and I have to divide it with the total input power to find out the ratio. So here is total input power. So this formula is basically used when you have to calculate the efficiency. Here is also formula. Efficiency is represented by the percentage. Means that when you have to represent the efficiency, you just need to multiply it with 100 to show the efficiency in the percentage. And it can be calculated by using the formula. Efficiency is equals to useful energy output. When you have to write the efficiency in term of energy, it would basically equals to the useful energy output divided by total energy input. Multiply 100% because here you are going to convert the efficiency into percentage. That's why multiply it with 100. Then you get the efficiency answer in percentage. If instead of the energy, the useful output power and the total input power is given, then how you can calculate the energy? There is another formula of the efficiency in term of power, which is here efficiency is equals to useful power output over total power input multiply by 100%. So this formula is used to calculate the efficiency. But if we see the first formula, here is the energy. This energy is of any form, like it might be the kinetic energy, or it might be the gravitational potential energy or chemical energy. Here is the exam question that appeared in October-November 2016. A lamp has the power input of 5.0 watt. It wastes 1.0 watt of the power heating the surroundings. What is the efficiency of the lamp? You have to calculate the efficiency of the lamp. Let's see the answers. Answer A 20%, B 50%, C 80% and D 120%. Always remember that efficiency is calculated in percentage. That's why here is the percentage. It means that when you are going to calculate the efficiency, you have to multiply the answer with 100 so that the efficiency comes into percentage. So what is given here? Total input power is given. This input power is 5.0 watt. After that, it wastes 1.0 watt of the power heating the surrounding. Then the wasted power is 1.0 watt. What does this mean? If I consider that I have total 5 watt input power, then 1 watt of this is wasted into the environment, and the remaining power is the useful output power. So remaining is 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 4 watt is the useful output power. I can also write from here a formula that total input power is equals to wasted power plus useful output power. So here we are given the input power, which is 5.0 watt. I write here 5.0 watt. It would be equals to wasted power. It is 1.0. And after that, here is the output power, which is useful. Then from here you can easily calculate the output power. It would be equals to 5.0 minus 1.0, which is equals to 4.0 watt. This is basically the useful output power. After that, you have to use the formula of the efficiency. Let's see the answer and explanation. So here you can see, first of all, the formula for calculating the efficiency is given, which is useful power output over total input power. Always remember that when you have to calculate the efficiency, here is useful power out. Always remember that when you have to calculate the efficiency, Here you have to use the useful output power, not the wasted power or wasted energy. So if the useful output power is not given, you can easily calculate it by the formula that I already tell you. So efficiency is equals to the useful power output over total power input multiplied by 100%. After that, put here value. Because here the useful output power is not given, you can easily calculate it by using the formula input power minus wasted power. Put here value, the useful output power comes to be 4.0 watt. Use the values in the formula. The useful power output is 4.0 watt and the total input power is 5.0 watt. Multiply it with 100% so that the efficiency comes into percentage. You get 80%. It means that the device is 80% efficient. Hence, C answer is correct. Let's go back and see the answer again. Here in the C, 80% efficiency is given. It means that answer C is correct from here. Here is an examination tip. Remember that efficiency has no unit as it is the ratio of two similar quantities. First of all, we see the unit of efficiency. Let's go back. See this formula. In the formula of efficiency, here it's written useful energy output, but it's a energy. So the unit of the energy is joule divided by the total energy input. Again, it's energy. Its unit is joule. Both of these cancel with each other so that efficiency has no unit. So I can simply say that efficiency has no unit because it's the ratio of two similar quantities. If you talk the second formula which is related to the power, first of all here is the useful power output. Its unit is watt divided by the total power input. Its unit is also watt. Both of these cancel with each other and you get no unit. It means that efficiency has no unit because it is the ratio of two similar quantities. Same thing is given here in the first find. Remember that efficiency has no unit as it is the ratio of two similar quantities. While calculating the percentage efficiency, when you have to calculate the percentage efficiency, you need to multiply the efficiency value with 100. So you have to multiply the answer with 100 to calculate the efficiency in percentage. Efficiency always lies between 0 and 1. What does this mean? If I suppose that here there is a input power or the input energy, you can use any both of these. And all of the input energy is converted into the useful energy. I suppose here the input energy is 100 joule. And again when you get the useful output energy, it comes to be 100 joule. So this is the first case. I put the value in the formula of efficiency. It would be equals to total useful output energy, which is 100 divided by total input energy, which is again 100. I'm not calculating it in percentage. So both of these cancel with each other and you get 1. In this case, when all of the input energy is converted into the useful output energy, the efficiency of the system is 1. It is because of the reason the total input is converted into the useful output energy. No energy is wasted into the environment to decrease the efficiency of the system. The second case is that if I again consider here is the input energy and all of the input energy is converted into the wasted energy, which is just like the thermal energy into the environment. Again, I suppose that the input energy is 100 joule and the wasted energy is again 100 joule because all of the input energy is converted into the wasted energy. When you have to calculate the efficiency in this case, first of all, in order to calculate the efficiency, you have to calculate the useful output energy, as all of the input energy is converted into the wasted energy. The useful output energy is equals to 0 because input energy is 100 minus wasted energy is again 100. You get the useful output energy is 0 joule. So I write here 0 over the total input energy is 100. You get 0. Both of these are the special cases that shows the efficiency lies between 0 and 1. If I suppose that I have total input energy which is equals to 80 joule, then 20 joule is wasted energy. What would be the efficiency of that system? You have to solve this question and tell me the efficiency value that you get here.